What's up, Bittorrent holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with another update of BTT. So, my friends, what's going on in this time in the BTT? This is the urgent, huge news of BTT. Keep watching this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, subscribe now. ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. Now that this time price of the BTT in the market is 0.003993 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Bittorrent token. On the other side, if we talk about the price change occurred in the BTT, so the pricing is going positive. Last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 1 day pricing is positive, and last 1 week pricing is, oh my goodness, now the latest pricing is negative and the previous change is positive, my friends. You can see here last 1 hour 1 day pricing is going wrong, but I know that is a temporary change. After a few hours the price changes again positive. Remember that is my prediction. I believe that the prices will become positive, my friends. Anyways, if we talk about the price chart of the BTT, so the price chart tells us that in the previous time a completely fast time occurred in the BTT, but now in this time they take a jump, and in this time the price is going better. Now the last 1 hour pricing is negative, but with the passage of time the pricing will again positive, my friends. Don't worry about that and don't be afraid. Don't decide to sell. If you sell, so you're in the loss because the last 1 month pricing is still negative. So that's mean that if you decide to sell at this time, so you are in the loss. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about BTT? Tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.